Hey, Cook-Holic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a McDonald's seasonal classic. We're making a version of the McRib. So, let's do what we do and make it happen. Yo, we have rib meat, we have sesame seed buns, we have barbecue sauce, we have black pepper, we have onions, and we have salt. Hey guys, subscribe, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. We have a cutting board here. We have our rib meat. And I'm gonna trim as much of the fat or weird bits off of this. Like right here, it's like a tube and very hard. That has to go. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is get some aluminum foil on my baking sheet. You've seen me do this many times. I'm gonna set this aside. Now I'm gonna put our bits of meat in a food processor. And remember, we trimmed it, got rid of the hard bits, some of the fat. Ground up. I'm gonna get it out of here and we're gonna shape it. Now I'm gonna take my hands, dip them in some water. And actually, this was a pretty big rib originally. So I'm gonna get 3 out of this, I think. Of course, if you want to be more precise, you can weigh these on a scale, but it's not that big of a deal. The water helps the meat not stick to your hands. So I'm gonna shape these. To like an oval shape. Then I'm gonna stick them in a freezer for about a half an hour. It's gonna take this whole baking sheet and stick it in the freezer. And while I'm waiting for these to get a little solid, I'm going to clean up. I'm gonna get this nonstick pan over medium heat. And while that's heating up, I have our patties. They're not frozen, they're just, you know, a little more stable. Add some black pepper. Both sides. And get some salt down. Both sides. And we're gonna get a couple in the pan, just like so. We're just gonna cook them, flip them, and cook them on the other side until they're done. Now, a trick I like to do, take a top, cover it, let it cook through a little more. After these are done, I'm gonna remove them and I'm going to toast the bun. That's how we're gonna do this, y'all. Okay, they're ready now, so I'm just gonna take them out, move them over here. Butter this if you want, and I'm gonna get it in the pan. And just gonna brown it, toast it up a little bit. All right, bun's ready. Now, you can put the pan on low. Put these back in the pan. Some barbecue sauce down there. And I just want the meat to cook a little in the barbecue sauce, just a little bit. Okay. Now it's just how I want it. A little bit of sauce on it, sear it on there like that. I'm gonna take one of these patties, put it on the bottom bun. Gonna add some more barbecue sauce. Be generous here. Now right here you can toss some pickles down if you want to. Then we're gonna add some onions. I like a lot of onions. Hey guys, the link to this recipe is down below. But before you go, hit that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.